Hello again and welcome back. In the last video, I showed you how I did 3 different cards using 3 different panels, stamped and cut like a puzzle. I did that same technique except I ran these through my die cut machine with the heart shape. So you'll see that there's 3 different shapes because I want to show you another way that you can do these cards with using that same technique. So now I'm just kind of sorting out what kind of colors I want. I'm going to use my handy dandy foam tape and tape runner, and I'm not sure if I'm going to use that or not. It just appeared. So I'm going to be using the foam tape on a few pieces of the hearts because I want them to stick out like a layered dimensional effect. Using the same card base as the last video, I'm just kind of flattening it out with a bone folder. That way it's going to make it easier for me to grab my pieces and lay them out because since I want to put these in small layers, I'm trying to alternate the color and the foam is going to go on a different side. So I'm going to take my first panel and use my double-sided tape to stick it on there. So here I'm selecting the second layer and making sure there's no little frays. And I will now cut individual parts of the foam tape and attach it to the back. I'm only going to do one layer because for the final heart, it's going to be double layered. So now that I did my first heart, I'm going to do my last one. And then this one is going to have 2 layers of foam so that it can stick out higher than the first heart. So before I add my second layer, I'm going to peel off all of the adhesive so that I can cut pieces again and lay them over so they can stick really well. And I'm not going to bore you doing that second layer, but you get the idea. It's just doubling up. And so now I'm just going to peel off each piece on this so that I can add my first layer onto the shape as close to the image as possible. I'm trying to eyeball it, and it didn't come out 100%, but it's not the worst thing. Now I'm going to do the same with the little heart in the center. And there I have my layered effect with 2 little hearts popping out. You can see it from the side angle. It's still flat enough that you can mail it without a problem, but I like the way it turned out. It's pretty cool. And here are the 3 cards that I ended up making with the heart. And as you can see, there are different ways to apply the similar technique. I hope that you give this one a try because I think it's pretty fun. And it's a great way to use up the excess paper you have. I hope you have a good rest of your day. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.